Hello, my name is Elman Jan. I'm working for Dream Tree Family. I'm so excited to announce in the PCCS unit, that's one of the best item, and we've been selling a lot, and we have so many people excited about using the PCCS unit. This water system, you don't need a higher plumber. You can just connecting simple your faucet. You can connecting, and what this system gonna do? This is a 5 filter system. It's the number one come from water from the water faucet and goes through the strong magnetic and unit we call the tornado. And when the tornado pass through, they're gonna make they're gonna create a lot of oxygen. So your water gonna be changed with like more than 200 to 300% more oxygen in the water. And also water size make it so small and reduce all the chemical or reduce like the toxic, reduce from this number one tornado unit. And after that they go to the number one. This is like carbon filter. They take out another toxic and anything material, sediment. They collecting the number one. And the number two filter, we use like a special filter we use. Because we have some of the area have a radiation, and we remove natural way to remove radiation. We use the special ceramic. We have a patent pending and reduce in the radiation. We export to Japan. Some of the area, the radiation area, we use this material. They have so many good results. Number 3 filter is make alkaline antioxidant. Number 4 filter is maintain the good water tasty, and also like the reduce anything they left. They don't pass through from number 3 and any toxic the last stage and remove again. And come out this water, you're gonna drain the health, antioxidant, alkaline, and the water you're gonna drain it. And you don't wasting any water, and you can connecting your countertop, your kitchen. And this one can make 10 to 20 gallons per day, and the best water you can drink it. And I wanted to have everybody having the kitchen this one, and enjoy and be healthy yourself. You don't have to buy this water for you, and this one can produce enough water for not only drink and cleaning and cooking and many ways you can use. Also, this water you can give it to your pet, and you can give it to your plant, and you're gonna see that this water gonna be different. If you put this water in your plant, you're gonna see plant gonna be strong. They're growing fast, 20 to 40% more faster. That is we can tell you this water. When you put your inside the body, your body gonna change it because this water is so good water. Thank you so much, and we are so excited to announce the PCCS unit. Thank you.